Now you can create clickable thumbnails, best thumbnails, which you can make it on your own phone or device. Isn't it amazing? First of all, you should to download this app, Pixellab, on your phone or device, and then let's make the thumbnails. So this is the app that I downloaded, Pixellab. Let's click on it and open it. Now the dashboard or the main page of this application is like this. You can save from here the thumbnail that you created, and you can share it. And also this icon, we will use it a lot, so it is good for look and unlock objects when we create thumbnails. And here you can create your thumbnails on this area. You can add a lot of objects here, and also this is the backgrounds. You can use them for your own thumbnails which you want to create. Your thumbnails background, you can choose them from here. I will choose some of them, you can see, but I'm okay with the first one, with the default one. Let's clear this text. And also we have icons down there. We have a lot of icons, or 3 icons, which are so useful, and we need them in each single object adding, like adding text, or adding shapes, or adding, or drawing, or adding colors, or like add transparency. First of all, I will add a transparency. It is so useful. Simply just click on this icon and then transparent, and you again go to the second icon and click on draw. You will end up here. You can change the color or select the color that you want for your drawing, and you can change the thickness of the pencil, and you should to be sure that you have to enable this icon to fill inside your drawing. Again, draw, choose your color that you want to. I'm okay with the white one, and then the size of the pencil, and make sure from the icon fill inside that you will draw, and it will fill the inside of your drawing. Let's make a drawing. So I'm going to draw like this. And why I'm doing all this stuff, because I want this thumbnail be created on my dashboard. Can you see this thumbnail, the white area? Go and save the transparent that you create, the draw that you created, and save it on your gallery. It will be saved in your gallery, and till now you are okay. Then go back again to the first icon and go back to the default one of this dashboard. Now from this point we are starting creating our thumbnails. So first of all, can you see this 3 dots, 3 icons, or 3 dots icons? Just click on it and click on image size. We have to create YouTube thumbnail, so we should to select YouTube thumbnail size. So click on image size, and then you will end up by this tab. Just click on YouTube thumbnail, and then click OK. Now the size is fixable for YouTube thumbnail. So let's click on third icon, and let's change the color of the background of our thumbnail. You can select one color, like red, black, yellow, anything, and you can change it to granted. Add 2 colors or multiple colors. Click on plus icon, and from here you can change the white area and the dark area, like I'm doing these 6 icons. And then click on this. You will end up by this circle of colors. You can select the color that you'd like to add as a background on your thumbnail. I'm okay with the red one. Okay, then click yes. And also now I'm going to change the dark to the bottom of the page like this, and click or tick yes. Now it's time to add the white area as you're watching in our thumbnail. So click on import, and then select the transparent that we draw the first picture, and let's add it like this and adjust it. So click on this icon over there, and then lock the object, so it will not be moving anywhere and it is sticky. But if I unlock it, it will start moving from one place to another place. So I'm okay with locking it. And then go add another transparent from import. Can you see this thumbnail? Yes, like this. We are going to do as same as you see it, as you watch on the thumbnail. So click on the object, the white area, and then add shadow. Make it the shadow black, and you can see this black line. Go at the object on the background, so it will be disappeared like this. And again, from the icon over there, lock the object so it will not be moving anywhere while you are working on your project. Now you should to import a photo in the white area like I'm doing. I will select this photo and the background of the photo is removed. I did it earlier. I will show you how to remove the background of the photo. You can select your own photos in case you are using your own photos on your thumbnails, or you can download a photo from Google or Pixels or Pixabay. But first of all, I'm going to lock this photo, and I will show you how to find like this pictures. Go to Google and Google happy face, for example, and then click OK and go to pictures, صور, and then you can select from these or choose from these happy faces, or find happy men or happy man. You have tons of photos on Google. Just grab one of them or download one of them. I will choose the first one, this man, and I will download this picture on my gallery. Once I did that, it is downloading, so it's saved in my gallery. Again, go to Google, and this time just search for BG or background remover. I will grab the or put the link of this remove background website in the description. Just go and get it. I'm going to take this photo that I downloaded from Google Chrome and add it here and download it again. It is downloaded without any background. Go back again to Google, and this time Google YouTube. You will find out in Google picture a lot of or tons of photos. You can grab one of them and download it on your device. I'm going to download this, and I will remove the background of the photo using the same background remover that we showed you earlier. Then back again to our project and import a picture of a thumbnail. You can download the picture from Google. You can download it as taking a screenshot on YouTube and then crop it and add it as I'm doing. Just add shadow for the picture to make it more professional, and then again click on import and import another picture that I just take it as a screenshot from YouTube, and then crop it and using it in my YouTube thumbnails like I'm doing right now. Then adjust the size of the photo and then add a shadow for the photo, black shadow, and it will be like this. And go draw a black line over any photo or every photo that you added on your thumbnail or your thumbnail like this, and then click on OK. Then add a shape. You can add a shape from the middle icon, this icon, and resize the shape and put it on the area that you want to. Then you can choose any shape that you want to, and I'm okay with the first one, and I will add it here. Then from here you can change the shapes. Again, the settings that you can play with and do it as you want to, or as you'd like to. You can change the color of the shape, you can add multiple colors, and you can click on plus icon and add the color that you want to, and you can change anything that you'd like to add or remove on the shape. Then click on OK. Now it's time to add a text on our thumbnail. So let's add a text from here. I'm going to type make and then add it on this position or area, and then let's do some settings on the text. You can resize it from here, and you can add the color for the text. I'm okay with the white one, and you can change also some more settings like the font, which type of font you want to appear on your thumbnail, and then you can also bold the text, and you can also add shadow and a lot of stuff. Just go ahead and discover what type of settings that you want to apply on your own text that you're using on your thumbnails that you're creating. So here are a lot of settings you can play with and add the shadow and where you want the shadow to be appear, and a lot of stuff, so you can discover all of them by yourself. It is so easy app. Then click on this icon and lock the text so it will not move whenever you are just editing on the thumbnail or while editing the thumbnails or objects. Add another text like this, and now you have to adjust the text and choose the font of the text, and there are a lot of more stuffs or settings you can do or play with, and just like I'm doing. You can add shadow, and you can change the color, you can change the shadow color, and you can change a lot of things or stuffs, but we have to make the shape background, yeah, like this, so the text can be appeared. Now I'm going to add more effects on the text so it will be so eye-catchy and clickable, and doing lots of editing on the text. You can do what you want on your own text, so it will grab or get audience attention to click on your thumbnail and watch your video, as same as I'm doing. So after finishing, I click yes, and then it's time to add another icon like YouTube icon like this, and I will put it here and adjust it here, and then I will copy again the icon, and I will add shadow for the icon, yes, like this, and again the shadow will be black, and add the shadow or the shadow for the first icon also, so it will be so eye-catchy. Now the thumbnail is ready, and I'm going to add an arrow like this, and again I have to add a shadow for the arrow also, so it will be so fixable and good looking also. Like here, from here, add shadow, and then yes. So now go save the video and make sure the video is ultra, and then save it on your gallery. So look at the results. Thanks for watching.